Greetings. This is Brother Truth. Got another one for you today. This one is about bad refrigerators. If you ever get a refrigerator from a refrigerator shop that repairs refrigerators and sell refrigerators, make sure you know that person well. Make sure they're reliable. I personally got a refrigerator about a couple of months ago. Refrigerator costs a lot. But I knew I really didn't want that one, but we picked out a different one, and I really didn't want the second one. The first one, to me, probably was better. So we picked out the refrigerator. Bad refrigerator. It's been going bad for over 2 months now. Within a week, it started making a knocking noise. So I figured that was normal. A knocking noise, right? Trying to give the company a benefit of the doubt. So then the fan on the top of the refrigerator finally starts going out. Find out that ice froze it over so it couldn't turn. So it will start overheating the refrigerator. So I had to unplug it to let it thaw out. And once I unplugged it and let it thaw out, I plugged it back in. It was normal. But all our food wasted. And it happened like 3 or 4 times. So the person I got the refrigerator from moved to another location. I accidentally ran into him. The first thing they're going to say when I told them about it, oh, why didn't you call me a long time ago? Well, first of all, couldn't find your number. That was the first thing. So then they said, oh, well, yeah, I can fix it. So I gave them my number. I sent pictures about the refrigerator, where the problem was at. I didn't get a response. It's been over a week. I mean, here's the key thing. In business, you want to keep your customers. You people got to understand and use your brain. Don't be stuck on stupid. Make your customer happy. Give them satisfaction. Give them a good service. Don't lie. Oh, yeah, I'm coming to fix it. It's been a week. You think people supposed to call you every day? You knew. It's on you got text. You knew to call. You knew to come by. But of course not. You're narcissistic. That's the problem. Narcissistic, thinking about yourself. But it's all good. You lost the customer now. You lost money. I would recommend anybody ever to go to you because you don't care about the customer. You're more greedy on money instead of fixing the problem. And from your character and personality that I picked up the vibes, I had a feeling that you were like that, and I should have went with my instincts. So thanks for beating me. Shake my head. It will never happen again. But be careful if you buy a used refrigerator from anybody around the area of Crenshaw in LA, between Crenshaw and Normandy, near Jefferson. Be careful, because you might get beat. This is Brother Truth. I'm out. Have a good day. Goodbye.